Hi everybody, just a little video here just to, for a change. Flip camera. I just need to get you on the track. What I'm doing now is I'm finishing touches to a video that I made yesterday. It was basically the retro cassette table. What I'm doing now is I'm finishing touches to a video that I made yesterday. It was basically the retro cassette table. Come back. Just let me learn this song. Put it here. Looks like I broke my tripod. Don't know what I've done there. Like that. I didn't know it was screwed in there. Well screwed in. Just bear with me a second. Right, it's retro coffee table. It's a cassette, basically. Or it looks like a cassette. And that's how it's meant to be. So if you're there and you're watching, which there's nobody on there yet. Is there anybody there? Oh, we'll work it out. Right, so I'm just throwing it on. Please don't mention me over a mask on because I've got one on. This edge here is, well, it's ply. It needs to be smooth and put a new shade on because it's a little bit old, that one. $600.